Hello everyone. First of all, apologize for not making the regular videos. And the second thing, Happy New Year, and I wish everyone to be wealthy, healthy this year and make a good use of your resources, learn new things and make good money and keep happy to your family and be happy as well. So let's begin what's going to happen in our market. So what are the main reasons the market is falling? One, the GDP is not growing. As per the data what government has published 7%, it is not totally true. And second thing, the inflation is increasing and even the government is not showing the exact accurate data as per the inflation what they are publishing. It's not totally true. And third thing, the FII is moving out of India. They are investing in US and as well China also. Our market is falling. And fourth reason is people are very much bullish on Bitcoin. So I believe the FII is going due to that they want to invest in Bitcoin to alternate countries they are doing it. This is my belief. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see how the data is predicting and what's going to come in coming months. So we'll compare the four big participants. Those are FII, DII, client and proprietor. Client are retailers, those are us. We will compare this today's data with prior day's data, that is yesterday's data. So in this we have future index, long and short, and we have options. So we'll see call buying versus call writing and also put buying versus put writing. So we will be seeing the data output, how much percentage they have call buying, call writing, put buying, put writing. And finally we'll also check the cash market. This is a pure cash market, how much they are buying in cash market and how they are hedging in F&O. So let's begin with FII. Future index long, they were having a 19% long and 81% short by yesterday. So today what they did, they have reduced their longs, increased their short by 3%. Now they have 16% long and 84% short. And option index call, they were having 955, so around 900 contracts only in call buying. So today they have made a call writing. So this call writing is a negative thing, so it has to be in get color. Call writing, they have 14,588 contracts now. And put buying, they were having yesterday 2.95 lakh contract as well. Today they have increased their put buying, 21,000 contract they have added. So they have 3,17,000 of put buying now. So it means they are very much bearish in option as well. There are very much short in futures. And we have seen cash market selling continuously since 1 week. Now today they have sold for 2,254 crores. So FII is still very much bearish. Client are the retailers. In future index they were holding 70% of long and 30% of short. So today they still added a long of 2% and reduced 2% short. Now they have 72% long, 28% short. And in option index call, they were having 3.91 lakh of call buying contract. Call buying, they have reduced today 19,000 contracts, so they have 3.71 lakh of call buying. Put, they were having a put writing of the 6.15 lakh contract. They have added put writing 95,000 contract. So now they have 7 lakh of put writing contract. So see, they are very much bullish in futures, they are bullish in options, and they have made a cash selling of 234 crores. So see, this is what the retailer always make blunders. They are very much bullish in futures and options, but they have to be bullish in cash. Cash is your asset, right? So it has to be bullish all the time. Whenever the market is falling, you have to buy. Rather you're selling in a cash market and you're doing speculations in F&O, you will lose money here also, and in cash also you're losing money. This is not the right thing. So who will make money? The big player FII, they have a good data, they will make money. And proprietor, he has a very good data, he only makes money. Who will lose? Retailers like us, and we will get out of the market. So now let's check for proprietor desk. Future index, they were having 42% long and 58% short by yesterday. Today no changes, same position they are holding. Options call, they were having 3.92 lakh of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 35,000 contracts. So now they have 3.56 lakh of call writing contract. Put, they were having 1.49 lakh of put buying contract. Today they have increased their put buying by 85,000 contract. Now they have 2.34 lakh of put buying. So they have very much negative positions, call writing and put buying. So they are bearish in options as well, they are bearish in futures. And in cash market they are buying 57 crores today. So see their intelligence, they are buying today. And we have seen DI also supporting the market with the money they have from mutual funds. That is retailers money only. So they purchased for 3961 crores. So total the output was positive only 1530 crores cash market, but still the market has fallen. Before moving to change in OI, we'll see January, what's coming for January. So we have nothing for the January, but February we have upfront collection of option premium from buyers, removal of calendar spread, treatment on the expiry day. So now let's check Nifty's option change. So PCR is at 1.12. It is very much bullish, and this is for the 30th Jan. So the month end expiry, lot size is 25. Lot size has been reduced, whereas for Jan 16 it is 675 lot size. So now the future is 23,518 and spot is 23,437. So future mein it is bullish, and market we can see some people are buying calls here, and the data seems to be somewhat bullish only for the month end, and people are hedging their 24,000. But today the put writers has been unwinded their positions from the level of 23,500, 23,800 and 24,000 also. So support for the month end is 23,000 and the resistance will be 24,000. Now let's check for the bank nifty. PCR is 0.56, oversold zone, lot size is 15, futures is running at 48,800, assume 48,900, spot is 48,800. So the support is coming around 49,000 only. The put writers are sitting at this place, and the resistance will be at 50,000. Second level support will be 48,000. Now we'll move to technical analysis part. We'll first check for US market, then we'll come to our market. So Nasdaq is trading around 376 negative points, whereas Dow is down by 648 points. So this is all about the Donald Trump hush money he is going to sentence or not, and the second thing, he is going to take a oath as a president on 20 of this month. So everything depend on his position and sentencing. And second thing, the data of US is very good, but people are worried the data is good, so they are not going to get rate cuts. If rate cuts are not happening, they have to spend more money from their pocket. Even if they are going to take from the banks, they have to pay more interest. So people are worried according to that. But good things, all the corporate and the big companies are happy. They are going to have a corporate tax when Donald Trump join as a president. So let's see how this is going to work in future. But until the Trump is going to oath, the market will be sluggish like this only. India VIX at 14.9. It is very comfortable only. We don't see any panic in our market. So Nifty we have seen continuously fall in this week. It came to 23,431. So see, this is, let's take this as a support 23,350. If it is taking a support, and we can see a reversal from this level, but don't forget that FII having a negative position in F&O. So even if we see a bullish rally from here, a 1 to 2% of bullish rally, okay, don't be very much happy. They will start selling at this levels also. 23,900 again they will start selling. So whenever we have a very good bullish rally like this on 22nd November, don't be happy, they are going to be a sell off again. So bank nifty also we have seen a very good sell off from the day of 2nd Jan, and we don't see any support till here 48,000. We don't see any rounding of figures also. So bank nifty is purely bearish. So even if any of the short covering coming in bank nifty also, I will not think of going long in F&O, but this is a very good time to accumulate a good stock in the cash market, or else you can also go with the mutual fund. So top up or make a good new investment in the mutual fund. This is a very good time. And don't lose your hopes and do a selling in cash market, or you reduce your portfolio, or else reduce the mutual fund. Don't do it. So that's it for today, guys. Hope to see you soon once again. I don't know when, but when market gives a good momentum like this, we'll connect once again. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please do share, like my channel.